Hi, I'm Jill from GrownupDish. Traveling during a global pandemic is not for the faint of heart. My husband and I are about to embark on a 2-week trip to Africa, and we are taking all of the precautions. And I thought today I would show you some of the things that we are packing to bring with us. First of all, we are both fully vaccinated and boosted. But in addition to that, obviously, we will be traveling with a large supply of N95 masks, hand wipes, and alcohol pads that we can use to wipe down plane surfaces or shared surfaces. We're bringing a couple of rapid COVID tests. I will probably take these out of the box just to save space. And then, of course, a large supply and a couple different kinds of hand sanitizer. I'm trying this new one from Beauty Counter. It's a little gentler on your hands, but still kills germs, and it smells good. In the event that one of us gets ill or gets COVID, we are packing some other supplies as well, including a thermometer, a pulse oximeter, which measures the amount of oxygen in your system, a plethora of cold supplies to deal with cold symptoms and or COVID symptoms, extra supplements and prescription meds that either one of us take. So if we're going on a 2-week trip, we're taking a couple extra weeks in case we get delayed, and we've decanted all of those into these little plastic bags so that we don't have to lug around big pill bottles. And finally, we're taking lots of precautions to avoid mosquito bites, including prescription malaria medication, as well as these bracelets and these DEET wipes. And then we're bringing basic first aid supplies, things like Band-Aids and Neosporin and simple first aid treatments. Hopefully this will help you if you are planning a trip.
Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.